A 59-year-old patient who developed a life-threatening rhythm of the heart was successfully treated by KIMS Hospital, Hyderabad. The patient was treated by a combination of robotic-guided sympathetic denervation and radiofrequency ablation. The treatment was conducted by a team led by Dr. B. Haigrave Rao. The doctors at KIMS said that the case highlights the importance of using different skills to successfully treat a case where the expected mortality is very high.
A unique case here that has been possible only in KIMS because of multimodality. 4-5 బ్రాంచ్లు కలిసి చేసిన దానివల్ల ఈ కేసు సక్సెస్ అసలు ఏమొచ్చింది ఎందుకు వచ్చింది అది.
You might have heard very commonly heart attack, angioplasty, bypass surgery, which are quite common. And treatment of all these diseases is nowadays very standardized, is available in many hospitals with uniformly good results. But there are some rare problems in heart which really pose a challenge to the treating doctors, cardiologists and surgeons. This challenge in this patient has come in the form of very irregular, erratic heart beating. You know that normally a heart beats about 80 to 100 times per minute. At that beating rate, heart functions very well. But when heart beating becomes very erratic, 200-300 per minute, the heart cannot function. It wastes all its energy in just beating, but it does not produce any pumping action. It is not efficient in circulating the blood in the body. Many times when the heart beats at such a higher rate, generally it gets controlled with medications. But there are some occasional patients where every treatment modality fails. All types of medication, surgery, angioplasty, nothing works. And there is the role of this new branch of cardiology, electrophysiology and pacing. So our consultant, who is expert in electrophysiology and pacing, Dr. Haigrave Rao, will tell you the intricacies of this treatment, how it was managed and how it has successfully not only saved our patient's life, but it has brought him back to normal life and he is able to perform his all normal activities. Now what I want to emphasize is that this is possible only in an institute where all facilities are available, where a state-of-art equipment is available, where the surgeon is available and the treating cardiologist has to monitor the treatment. So I request Dr. Haigrave Rao, this is slightly a complicated subject, electrophysiology and pacing, with lot of technicality in it, but Dr. Haigrave Rao will try to explain you in very simple language and then you can have question answer and then we'll try to satisfy all. Mr. Sadhuram Wadhwani, he belongs to Maharashtra. He is a very important person in his community who is involved in lot of social activities. So his life was not important only for his family but whole of his community. And we are very happy that we have been able to help him in Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences. Thank you.